Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get off an alpha security tag. These tags are a common sight in retail, designed to keep items safe. While stores use specific tools for removal, sometimes you might need to remove one at home. We'll cover safe and effective methods, ensuring you don't damage your item. It's important to proceed carefully to avoid any issues. Let's explore some common methods for removing these tags. One popular technique involves using a strong magnet, often found in hard drives, to release the internal locking pin. Another approach is to carefully use pliers or wire cutters on the small pin that secures the tag. Some people also find that applying a small amount of heat can help loosen the tag's grip. Safety is paramount when attempting to remove any security tag. Always wear protective gloves and eyewear to prevent injury. Be extremely careful not to apply too much force, as this can easily damage the item you're trying to free. If the tag contains an ink cartridge, never try to break it open, as the ink can permanently stain your item. To recap, removing an alpha security tag requires patience and the right approach. Always prioritize safety by using protective gear and avoiding excessive force. Remember, damaging the item or yourself is not worth the risk. With careful execution, you can successfully remove the tag. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.